Midwest Professional here. I'm going to show you guys how to open up some 762 by 54R, the 10 spam cans. I ordered this from AIM Surplus. I give them 5 stars out of 5. They had some fast shipping and good communication. And if you buy a case, they send you the opening tool, which I highly recommend doing because it makes this a lot easier. Now, I've seen some videos before of people and they cut open the whole entire can, and that is simply not necessary. All I'm going to do is this U part right here, and then I'll be able to bend it back and get the rounds out that way, and it'll save me a lot of time. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'll probably time lapse it, so here we go. Now when you do this part, you want to be careful and not to cut yourself because the edges are pretty sharp. See, you can save yourself a lot of time by just opening it up like this. Paper. And once you get one of them out, the rest of them will come out pretty fast. And there you have it. Some 762 by 54R out of a spam can. This stuff is Bulgarian, and hopefully this saved you guys some time when you go to open up yours. Midwest Professional, signing out.